Alright guys, so you guys have seen I got a pretty big dog. He's digging into my house. He knows how to open doors. It's kind of a problem. Like, he's dug the siding off of my house a couple of times now, and I keep replacing it. Now I'm just going to fill it with pallet wood. We're going to see if that works. I'm not going to do nothing pretty. I just want him to stop digging into my kitchen from the outside of my house. So we're going to side up the side of my house real quick with pallet wood, and we're going to see how that works. And then if it works good, I'll make it look prettier in the summertime or come spring or something. But for right now, we're just going to see how it works. I don't have any pallet wood right now, so I'm going to take apart these pallets real quick. And I think I'm just going to take apart this one. That should be good enough. And we're going to go out there and do that really fast.
God bless these hands when He made me. God bless these hands. Let's go. God bless these hands when He made me.
I've learned the fastest way to take apart these pallets is with a rubber mallet and just beat them real quick. Like so. I just took apart that pallet in probably under 2 minutes. I broke 2 boards during the entire process, and I'm going to use these as firewood in the wood stove. Okay, now the longest part of the whole thing is beating the nails out of the plywood pieces that I just, or the pallet board I just took out. So I'm going to do that right now. Alright, so I'm going to use these 6-inch wide boards right here. I'll sand them up and make them look a little nicer than that. But that's what I'm going to use for this. I'm going to take you guys out there and show you guys exactly what's going on right now. So my dog knows how to open doors. You guys see how big Oso is. He does this to every dang doorknob. Because he was younger, I was stupid and taught him this.
Look at this damn dude. What's up, boy?
So now, this is what he does. Come on, Osito. Come on, baby. Come on. Come on, Oso. I have to take this door handle out right here because he knows how to use it. Also, I've had to replace the siding a few times already. Now, he's going and digging all the way up into the aluminum door frame. He's making the wood disappear. He's not out here for long. He's just so dang big. It's not like I leave him out here and leave him like this. He's just done this over the past 5 years. But he goes right into my kitchen, right there, from the outside of the damn house, like a bear. So, I'm going to get a measurement right here, and then we're going to side it down with pallet wood. It's a beautiful day out here today. So the first thing that we want to do is get a measurement of where we're going. Of how wide we want our boards. We want our boards 70 inches. Maybe 70 and a half, really. 70 and a half. So we'll do 4 boards down at 70 and a half. 70 and a half. So 70 and a half, 4 boards down. Alright guys, so we want 4 boards at 27 and a half inches long. Since we're going to be using pallet wood, I'm actually going to sand this down really fast, quick. Don't forget your PPE, respirators if you got them. I'm going to sand these down, and then I'm going to cut off the parts with the nail holes in them just so it looks a little better. And then I'm going to use the 27 inches out the middle of it. I'm sure you have a way better way of doing this, but I'm just using the resources that I have available to me and trying to make it to where my dog doesn't dig into the kitchen. I'm sure there's a better way to do this cosmetically. I'm not spending money on sheet metal. I'm just using what I have available and getting it done. Pop a couple brackets in there, hold it in place. Now that I have the brads in, I'm gonna drill a hole and then screw it so that way he can't take it down because the brads ain't gonna last. I'm gonna use those same 1/2 3-inch deck screws. Let me go get the level. Damn it, I broke the bit in there. No. Dude, I just broke through my second bit doing this.
I have been laughing so hard.
That is really frustrating.
I've been laughing so damn hard watching this, editing this video, you guys. The little boot scooch though, trying to push it up a little bit after I already had it braided. Just was a little gap. I got it though. It fixed too good. Little boot scoot worked.
Okay, now I'm just going to hit it with the grind wheel right here where he digs into it so that way his nails don't catch anything hard. I don't want to hurt him.
You know what I just realized just now watching this? That this is going to be absolutely terrible. Trying to fix and make pretty here coming in the spring and summertime because I just grinded off the head of the damn screws. And I didn't think about that until right now, man. Uh-oh. Well, there goes another project that I just made more difficult in the future.
Okay, now I'm going to change the wheel out from this grind wheel to this flat disc. This is for grinding and blending. I'm gonna sand down and blend this all up to where he doesn't snag on every single board. It'll just be one clear, clean piece. Oh my goodness, what the heck? She ain't pretty, but she'll do the job. Much better than what it was. 100% better than what it was. At least it's functional. For now, until I do something permanent. Oh my goodness.
Yeah, so now I'm finally being able to get back to the miter station, and I'm going to plane down my own 2x4s out of these 4x4s.
This is some very, very, very hard wood.
Hey guys, we started a Facebook group page. If you guys want to join us on the Facebook group page, it's a way to share your projects, share your ideas, get ideas, just anyway, we're building a community. So come join us on Facebook. If you have a Facebook, it's called the TBC Woodworking Warriors Community. Yeah, it's a lot of fun. Been a lot of posts on there. It's way more easier for me to talk to people on there than it is on here. And it's been a good little community started. We're getting some good ideas, seeing some really cool projects. So join us on the Facebook if you guys want to. Yeah, making my own 2x4s out of this 4x4 was way more work than I thought it was going to be.
That one might be in there. I don't think I'm getting that one out. That's where that nail lives. Okay. Holy smokies. That one kicked my butt, I'm not gonna lie. Let's take the head off of this. Come on down.
Alright, so what I'm doing here is I'm tying a grocery bag to the back of the dust collector port of the miter saw. Will that hurt anything? I don't know. It caught all the sawdust though. It did great.
I zip tied a K. Roger bag to the back of it. I'm sure someone's going to tell me why that's the stupidest thing to do. But I zip tied a grocery bag to the back of it because I didn't want it to shoot all over the place.
For anybody that didn't know, when I said K. Rogers is Kroger's.
Alright, we're going 6 foot from that.
Can you guys do me a favor in the comments? Do you guys like seeing these time lapse of like mostly everything? Because I do edit out a lot of the dead space, but like, should I edit more out, I feel like? And not show just all the progress, but I feel like it cuts out a lot.
You know what? Before I do this, I'm adjusting my laser. Oh my god, that is so damn big. Okay. Oh my goodness. Shoot, that laser's right on. Alright. She's on. Okay. Now we're working with the solid 4x4 here. This is what we got. It's true to the size, 4 inches. And you see the way that the grooves are running? I think I want my boards to run bam, bam like that, so that way the grooves are running the same way. So I'm going to cut them from this way. I'm going to do 2 at 1.5 inches and then 1 at 1 inch. And the 1 at the inch I'm going to run along the back and the bottom, just to support between the bottoms, like that. And these 1.5 inches I'm going to put along the top, bam, bam. And we're going to do that right now. So I'm going to rip them over here. Alright, so after about 10 minutes, I'm trying to get this damn nail out because this nail is right up close to where I'm guessing I'm going to be making my rip. So I'm going to rip this down to 1.5 inches, That is right there on like that 1.5 inch mark. I'm not liking that at all. So if I come up from this side and do 1.5 inches, I'm nice and clear from that. So I guess I have to make sure, I have to be very aware. And that's running with my grain good. Alright, so perfect. That's our problem. Alright, I chalk lined this big bad mammoth jammer. These are lines for our 2x4s. 1.5 inches, 1 inch over here on this side. So we're about to get this guy ripped down. We have just barely enough room. Damn it. Man, every time I do something sweet, the damn camera dies or the memory's full or something. So I got this thing halfway ripped through. I'm really hoping that it's all the way, gonna rip all the way through here shortly. Let me see.
Okay guys, I apologize, but the next 7 minutes are going to get rough. Now, I really need your guys' help here. I'm sorry for the glitchiness when I speed things up. It's just such a long process. This video would take forever if I didn't speed it up 10 times.
I'm gonna have to grind this nail off to get this to be able to slide through, or it's not gonna slide through. Thank God for our like $14 Harbor Freight guy. Damn it, right at the end, both times.
So who remembers that Mr. Rogers episode where he shows the little kids how long 1 minute is? And he gets out the timer and he sets it to a minute, and he's just sitting there for a minute on TV. Oh my goodness, the broadcast stations were upset when he had that much dead air and dead space. But Mr. Rogers was like, why is everybody in such a hurry? Like, it's patience, this, that, and the third. I honestly am doing this because I need your guys' help. I just bought this saw blade, so I don't know why this is not ripping and doing this thing, but this is pretty much how it goes.
almost there.
No, the hell we're not. You guys have no idea how frustrating this was. This is a long, agonizing, painstakingly slow process. But I got it done.
Ruh-roh, Raggy. Damn it, man. I think my blade is gone already and I spent $50 on this.
There's a really good chance that you watching right now could be my 1,000th subscriber. Could you please hit the subscribe button and help me reach my goal of 1,000 subscribers? And after that, I'm going for 10,000 subscribers. So hit the button, it's free. It'll help me out a lot. Thanks.
Goodness. Okay. We have some 2x4s. That was brutal. That's why I bought a new saw blade, and I really think that I ate through that saw blade already. But this looks absolutely pristine. I'm very happy with these. And these are going to be our 6-foot long boards for our length here. Unfortunately, that's all I can do tonight. It's 9 p.m. I can't run saws and stuff. My neighbors would be kind of upset, and my wife is telling me I'm to come inside. So I get to finish up tomorrow. I'm super excited about this, though. Super duper excited.
Peace.